Chorizo bread is one of Portugal's greatest gifts to the world. And today I'm going to show you how to make the ultimate version from the comfort of your home. Something so simple, but that hits all the right spots. And when I finish, you will have a taste of the best traditional bread that Portugal has to offer. To start, I'll get all the liquids together in a jug. I'll add the water, milk, olive oil, sugar, and the yeast. Give it a quick mix and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes just to activate the yeast. I'll peel and cut the potatoes in small cubes for fast cooking. This is not traditional, but it makes for a smoother texture on the bread. I'll wash the potatoes to remove excess starch and put them in a pan. I'll add some boiling water and I'll cook them until fork tender. I'll drain them and put them on a strainer to pass them through to get them really silky. For me, this is the best way to mash potatoes. I'll use a stand mixer with a hook attachment. In the bowl I already have the flour and I'll add salt and the potatoes. I'll start mixing on low speed. The yeast is well alive as all the bubbles on the top show. Slowly add the liquid into the mix and let everything come together for a couple of minutes. Still to this day, on the summer when I go to Portugal on holidays, there's a local fair and there is a stand where they make the traditional chorizo bread. I only go to the fair to eat that bread. Right out of the oven, there is hardly anything better than that. All is mixed, so I will increase the speed and let it mix for 10 minutes on high or until the dough is not sticking and has a smooth look to it. Pull the dough from the hook and with a little olive oil, tuck the dough into a ball. When it's done, cover the bowl and let it rise for 4 hours or grow a little more than double. And this is a dough recipe that is so versatile that you can just save it for any occasion. There's so much you can do to it. I'll show you some more options later for you. Let's prepare our chorizo to do the filling. I'll give you two options here. You can use sliced chorizo or pepperoni, that will work fine. But for the real experience, get yourself a Portuguese chorizo. Don't know if I mentioned that before, but Portuguese chorizos are the best in the world. Completely free of bias analysis. Just get it all sliced. For me, this thickness is perfect, about half a centimeter. Still easy to chew, but you still have a nice bite to it. If you go thicker, it will become less enjoyable. I'll prepare both versions for you to see the differences. Our dough has risen. See how easy it is to handle, no sticking at all. Sometimes, depending on the flour, it might be a little sticky. Just add a little bit of olive oil to your hands on the board and it will be easy to work with. Remove from the bowl to the board and remove all the air out. Cut the dough into 9 equal pieces, around 140 grams each. Use your hands to form a rectangle. The dough is sturdy and strong. Don't leave it too thin, you want a nice amount of bread in the layers. Use your fingers to form the rectangle. With the sliced chorizo, I'll fold 2 slices and place a row in one corner. Make sure you go all the way to the end of the dough. Fold the extremity of the dough over it. Place another row of folded sliced chorizo and fold over to cover the totality of the bread. Close the ends and it's ready. And for the other version, we'll do the same, placing the chorizo along the bread and doing the same folding on the dough. We put a lot of chorizo, otherwise it would be just bread. And this needs to have a lot of chorizo. That's one of the reasons why it's so good. You will know when you try it. So do that for all the dough pieces. Spread a little olive oil on a non-stick tray and place our breads in it. Cover with a cloth and let it sit for 60 minutes for a final proofing. While we wait, let's preheat our oven at 200 Celsius or 400 Fahrenheit. Place it in the oven and spray some water into the hot oven and the bread, closing the door immediately. Let it bake for 30 to 40 minutes or until dark brown on the top. Don't be afraid of letting this sit longer. 35 minutes have passed. Let's see. Oh, gorgeous. Very few things in life beat the smell of bread coming out of the oven. Place them in a wire rack and let them cool down for 15 minutes. After that, it's game on. Only one thing left to do. Time to taste. Look at it. Gorgeous. Oh yeah. Nice crunch on the outside. Super soft on the inside. And the chorizo, oh, after being in the oven, it's so nice and soft and juicy. Oh, wow. Best quality chorizo delivers the best chorizo bread. 100%. Let me show you how the sliced chorizo looks like. There you have it. Also looks good. Smells wonderful. And I have to try it as well. Great. In a different way. With the chorizo, it's better. It's a grown-up sandwich. It's more of a children's sandwich. Would I be miserable eating this? Of course not. But this one is another level. Just get a good chorizo and you'll be 100% satisfied with this bread. And this dough is so versatile. You can use it for so many things. To make like a pizza, make a stuffed bread with any filling you want. Here, from one of my previous videos, I had some leftover filling for the chicken rissoles, and I put it in the bread with a bit of cheese on it. Look at it, it's amazing. This can be used in so many different ways. You can't go wrong here. Whenever I eat this snack, it takes me back to that fair. But there's another snack, and you can watch that on this video here. I'll see you there. Bye.